Okay, in that last video, we practiced how to do our solfege syllables all the way from the bottom of the scale to the top of the scale, from do to do. In this video, we're just going to practice so me, and this is an echo video, so what you're going to do is you're just going to echo after, and I'm going to do it right here with you guys. So pay attention. If you're going to add the hand signals, this video only focuses on so and me. Okay, so and me. Here we go. Hold on. Okay, thank you. Sorry, technical difficulties. Okay, so you listen first, then you sing it after. So me, so me, so me. So me, so me, so me. Now see if you can do it. Now you. Me, me, so, 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 so. Do it by yourself. Okay, next one coming up. Here we go. Listen first. Then you. So me, so me, so me. Now you. So me, so me, so me. Okay, take a look at it and listen first. Me, so, 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 me. Now do it by yourself. Okay, watch this one. It's tricky. So, so, me, me. Now you. So, 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 me, me. Now do it by yourself. Oh, you're doing great. Listen first. Now you. Me, so, me, so, me, so, so. Now by yourself. Good job, guys.